Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Air Max GOATERRA 2.0s. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. Try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today, I did mention it was a sneaker. I mean, this is kind of a boot, but you know, we're going to take your interpretations as well, so let us know what you think this is when we do the unboxing. So we got a pair of the Nike Air Max GOATERRA 2.0s. We got this in the UK size 8, it's a European 42.5, and it's a US men's 9. So yeah, unboxing. Now let me show you the box first. So this box is uniquely big. I wouldn't predominantly say it's got like a proper square shape, you know, your traditional rectangle, but obviously this is wider because it is considered a boot. I'm going to call it a boot even though it's like an Air Max trainer, but we'll show you. Here we go. There it is. It's more or less a boot, isn't it guys? If you think this is a trainer, well, sneaker even, I'd tell you to fix your eyes. There we go. So we have done the Nike Air Max Go Dome. Check that review out. It's very similar. This is an Air Max unit, however, so it's very different to the Nike Air that we've done in the past before. But you can see the military boot-esque vibes. Obviously, we got this in the khaki colorway, so it's kind of, again, military-esque. So let's just run and look at the specs. So if we start with the outsole, you got an all rubber outsole. You got a heavy tread you traditionally see in your hiking boots, and you got the Nike logo that's on the middle right there. Again, that tread is there for the traction. You're going to be hopefully, you know, walking through mud and avoiding slippage in these boots. The midsole unit, so again, you've got the rubber cups. It's like a rubber cup sole. You got some foam, but one thing that does stick out is that Air Max bubble at the heel. You can see it, it's very visible. You've got a nice little swoosh detailing if you look at the medial side there. And if you look at the lateral side, you've got the Nike Air imprinted there also. The upper is this treated leather, so it's very it's like high premium leather. It's there to be water resistant. Obviously tough conditions aren't gonna slow this boot down. Again, it's like in this all khaki monotone finish all around. And you can see that Nike swoosh. The Nike swoosh is a bit different than, I mean, it's not leather. If you look at the details, it's like this grainy textile. I wouldn't call it a suede or anything, but it's very textile-y, very man-made materials. The toe box, again, it's all cut from the same leather right there. If you look at the lateral side, again, you've got that Nike swoosh, and you've got these pods very nicely padded for your ankle support. The tongue, spongy foam, and you've got like some microfiber suede on just on the inner part. On the outer, you got the textile materials, and you got the Nike logo on there as well. You got round laces, very true to the army boot fashion, so it's kind of reminds me of like a Dr. Martens boot. At the back, you got a big like strip of nylon of textile materials up here for the pull tab, and the inner got the Nike logo, very soft as well. It's kind of like a gel insole. That's nice. It's all foam. And that rounds up my review. If I didn't know better, this is like Nike's answer for the military boot, and I won't be surprised if, you know, Nike supply the American army with these boots, just to look, you know, I mean, it's America, innit? You know, their army's fully kitted out. I'm really excited to try these on. This is like the first time I'm gonna try on a Nike military-esque boot, and I'm here for it. You know, here at Oneupreviewz, we love our hiking stuff. We've done tons of reviews on, you know, Salomon, Columbia, even the like Nike Go Dome. So check that out if you get the chance to, because obviously that boot heavily inspires this one. It's a more sleek version. If you look at it, the way that it's more, again, if you look at the shape, it's overall it's more slim than the Go Domes. I'm talking too much. You want to see me try these on, so roll out footage of me trying these GOATERRA Air Max on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. This being a UK size 8, it is bigger, so my toes are not at the top, so it does feel a bit spacious. To be fair, it's not the worst thing, because I know that if it was my true to size Nike fit, it would be very tight and I'd need a couple of wears to break into it. But I do think you should get your not half size, I think you should get your true to size fit if you want a more, you know, standard fit. These are really nice. You can feel that Air Max cushioning at the bottom of the heel, and yeah, they're very sturdy. I doubt that these are gonna like break on me, and I feel like these can be put through any weather conditions and they'll be perfectly all right. Well, maybe not severe ones, and you know, go to the mountains and all that, but you know, I'm just digressing. I'm just thinking of the worst case scenarios that you'll find yourself in wearing these boots. But thoroughly recommend. These look very stylish on as well. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.